In this problem, we've got triangle ABC. So AB, let's call it the base, and we've got point D right here. Now it says that AB is 1/3 of the way from A to B. So that means let's call AD 1 and DB 2. So we want the ratio of area of ACD to BCD. Now we don't know what the height is, but frankly we don't need to know what the height is, because the area of triangle ACD, well, that is going to be 1/2 the base, which is 1, times the height, which is h. And then on the bottom, the area of this triangle is 1/2 the base, which is 2, times the height. Now what cancels? Well, the 1/2s cancel, and the h's cancel, which leaves 1/2. So there's our ratio.